Welcome to today's video on navigating H1B extensions and labor certification. We'll break down the essential considerations that can impact your visa status as you maneuver through the process. Let's provide an overview of the key points we'll cover. First, we'll discuss eligibility criteria for one-year H1B extensions, focusing on important filing timelines. Next, we'll delve into the implications of switching employers on the PERM process. We'll also touch on the current company's filing and how it affects your extension qualification, before offering some strategic decision-making pointers. Finally, we'll highlight the importance of consulting an immigration attorney to navigate these complex pathways. To qualify for a one-year H1B extension, you must ensure that the labor certification, also known as ETA 9089, is filed at least 365 days before your 6-year H1B limit is reached. This timing is crucial, because if the labor certification is not filed within this time frame, you may not be eligible for the extension. Switching employers while on an H1B visa involves beginning the PERM process anew. Be prepared for delays, as the prevailing wage determination could take 6 to 7 months, and the PERM process itself can take around 18 months for approval. If your PERM application isn't pending 365 days before your H1B expiration, consider options like switching to an H4 visa if your partner has an approved I-140, or potentially returning to H1B status later if your PERM gets approved and an I-140 is filed. Now let's test your understanding. What is one potential solution if your PERM isn't pending 365 days before your H1B expiration? Your options are: A. Switch to H4 visa. B. Apply for a green card. C. Continue with the current job. D. File an appeal. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is A. Switch to H4 visa. Switching to an H4 visa can be a viable contingency if your PERM isn't pending 365 days before your H1B expiration. This is particularly relevant if your partner has an approved I-140. If your current company has filed for a prevailing wage determination, or PWD, this is a pivotal initial step. It typically takes several months to get this approved. Following that, both the PERM and subsequently the I-140 need time for approval. The timing of these steps is crucial, as having an approved PWD could improve your odds of qualifying for a one-year H1B extension. When making strategic decisions, evaluate your options thoroughly. Consider whether to stay with your current company or switch to a new employer, especially if your partner holds an approved I-140. Align and assess the timelines of both the PERM process and your H1B expiration, as these could influence your choice. Consulting with an immigration attorney will help you make an informed decision, addressing your specific circumstances and options. Let's recap the key insights from today's discussion. Timing is critical for H1B extensions in relation to PERM filings and approvals. Switching employers means restarting the PERM process, making strategic planning essential. Lastly, always seek professional legal advice to guide you through the complexities of immigration law. Thank you for watching today's video on H1B extensions and labor certification. We hope you found our insights helpful. Don't forget to like the video, share it with friends who might benefit, subscribe for more content, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below.